Running a sound test with the Miller Blue Star 185 to hear how the engine loads at different current output levels. Got some new 5/32 6011 Hobart rod to run from 120 amps up. I'll run that one at 120, 130, 140, approximate 150 level on the dial, and I've tried to mark those with some chalk, and then I'll go ahead and run the 5/32 at max as well. The current setup, there's about 25 feet of number 2 Weld cable on the negative side that'll be running to ground, and then about 60 feet of number 2 Weld cable running the electrode. I'll be running electrode positive for all of these. This machine is still fairly new. It's got a little over 10.5 hours on it, so expecting these to be premium results of what this machine could do. I'll be set up inside the shop about 10 feet away, and the exhaust is coming off of the right side, going out and away rather than directly at the mic.